Hey guys, I am doing a art haul today, showing you some of my favorite products that I'll be using this year. Let's dive right into the unboxing. Let me put this aside. I did take the liberty to unwrap some of the things, so it would save time in the video. But this is one thing I did not unwrap. These are Daniel Smith watercolors. I was first introduced to this brand from Sketchbox. They had a mini watercolor in, I believe it was the December box, or I'm not really sure which box it was. And this was the mini watercolor that is really beautiful. It's purple. And these are what the full-size sticks look like. And they call them granulating powder, but it works like a crayon, and when you activate it with water, you get some really beautiful watercolor on your paper. So these are the colors. You can buy this anywhere online. Unfortunately, not at Sketchbox, but I did want to show you that. The next group of products that I'm going to show you are brushes that are from past Sketchbox premium or regular boxes, and you can buy them individually on their website. These two are dual end type brushes where you have brushes on both sides. I do not have anything like this in my collection, especially this beveled brush. So here's two of them. You could buy individually as one-offs, and these are the two other ones that are just regular brushes that you can buy as one-offs. Then I got some masking fluid. They call it drawing gum, and it comes with a little tip right here to put on top. Masking fluid you would use when you want to keep a certain area color free, like if you're working with white paper and you want to keep the paper white, you would apply the masking fluid to that area, and then after you do your painting, you rub it off, and whatever the color of the paper is underneath will be the original color, i.e. like white paper or black paper or whatever color paper you're using. So this is something I've actually never tried before, and I know it's been in past sketch boxes, so I'm pretty eager to try that. I have used Aqua Bronze. This is the pale gold, bleach gold. This is from Schmenik. I've not used this brand, but this will apply beautiful gold sparkly paint to your drawings, and I love a good accent paint. You can get this on the Sketchbox website. Then I have 3 tubes of Winsor & Newton watercolors, the primary colors, basically. Excuse the mess on my hands. We have the crimson hue, yellow gold, and ultramarine. So those are pretty basic colors to have. And I like the tubes. And these were in previous sketch boxes, and I'm going to keep them in the bag because I already looked at them, and they're very pigmented. They must be a little on the outside of the bottles because I've already messed up my hands. But these are watercolor powders in the color grape, orange, turquoise, and navy blue. And I know you should be in a well-ventilated area and be very careful because these are highly pigmented watercolor powders, and a little will go a long way. So I am definitely keeping that in the bag until I use them. And the last thing in the haul are these papers that, again, you can buy on Sketchbox, because these actually were in, like this one, I know for a fact was in a previous box. A lot of these are. This is a cold press 140-pound watercolor pad, like bookmarks. So you're going to get 15 sheets to make bookmarks. Very nice. And this is another watercolor pad. This is not 100% cotton. It's only 30% cotton. You're going to get 10 sheets here, 135-pound paper. Beautiful. This is hot pressed watercolor by Rembrandt. It's also a Sketchbox exclusive because it's been in a previous box. And there's 10 sheets, 140-pound paper here, hot press watercolor paper. And the last one is a little bit larger. It's 4x7 papers. And these are 100% cotton, which most people say that's the best type of watercolor paper to use. Also hot pressed finish. And there are 20 sheets in this booklet. So that is the haul from Sketchbox. What's really cool is that you can pick and choose your own items. So you can pick a box, like if you want to customize a box and pick 5 items, you can put it in your box, 7 items or 10. And I'll leave the price points. I do have a 10% discount on all of these items through my little Sketchbox shop. So you'll get 10% off either the sets or the individual items, or even on some boxes. So I will leave the link down below, and it's actually a really great deal. I think they have really high quality products, and I can't wait to get some more subscription boxes. I've actually stopped buying some boxes because I'm just using what I have, but I might get the February box because I'm really tempted. They have such a great deal because I don't know, I am a new artist, so I like people to pick the products for me. That's my thing right now, and I love experimenting with them. So let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. It'd be so helpful if you give me a thumbs up. That always helps my channel, and I so appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.